Welcome everyone. Good morning. Wonderful. Good morning. Well, good to be alive. And we just started the, well, actually not, but we are in the London kill zone. Yeah, actually we did. It's 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I always mix everything up because of this whole daylight saving time and everything. But yeah, officially the London kill zone has started. Of course, we still have time. So nothing major is happening, nothing major is going on right now. And we just repriced a gap on the 5-minute on Nasdaq. We have relative equal highs if you look to the left. And yeah, quite interesting moves in the PM session yesterday. I'd like to see the 931 to be taken. Wow, that is really something there. Anyways, we have some nice levels on the upside, so maybe we will get something. Hey there, Oracle, how you doing? We have our classic 30-second setup here. Nothing super major or anything. But it does seem like that price wants to go a little bit higher. All right. Let's see what's happening here. Tamimi, good morning. How's it going? Hold on a second, quick phone call. All right. So this one is going back up there. And let's see what's happening. So we're going back up there. We should be taking out the 905 level. And by the way, we are going to do the giveaway pick. There's going to be a new giveaway after this winner pick, so don't worry about that. But we are going to do the pick this session in London because why not? And from tomorrow, the new giveaway starts. I mean, today, actually. Every week, we're trying to do one, all right? We're going to wait for the London Open. Look at ES going up there. NQ should be returning into the range. We have Asia highs and we have relative equal highs to the left still. So that's quite interesting. I think it wants to take that level out, but this here could be a little bit too late to enter. The best valid entry could have been right here at 2 a.m. but I missed that. It should be taking out 905. Interesting. So we had a reversal, trend changed, displacement as well. So around 890 area could have been an entry that I potentially missed, but it's not a big deal. That would have been a little bit aggressive. Well, actually, I can go scalping this one aggressively, but if you look at the 5-minute, we have a swing low, a nice swing low. But we do have those equal highs up there, which is very close. The 900 level is, I mean, could be acting as support from now on. And we could continue to go higher. Hey Bernard, good morning Marco. Yeah, doing okay, doing okay. Hope you guys are doing good as well. I'm looking for this to break higher, maybe go back to the midnight area at 9:10. If I want to go aggressive, scalping this one, I could also target like so I added one trade. This is my probe trade, and I might add one more below 95 maybe. So just one more below 95, and there's going to be 2 micros on this just to see how it goes. For now, there's only 1 micro. At 97. I have no stop loss. No stop. Oh yeah, let me show you. No stop loss now. Just waiting, trying to figure out if this one wants to go and take out that high or not. $905.75. Good for a probe trade. If it would go down a little bit, then I would add to it. To build up this arrival at these highs, but it's not going lower. Good morning now. Anyway, maybe I should have entered a little bit more. This is just testing. Testing with 1 micro, it's nothing. Anyway, we're gonna do the giveaway pick after London market open, and we're gonna launch the new giveaway after that. All right. Just a second. All right. Had to close the window because the neighbor is on the job again. So we're going up. Seems like it. The next giveaway, by the way, is also going to be a 50K evaluation cash prize. All right. So the plan here is to go and get back to the midnight levels up there around 910, and my forecast is that we have these relative equal highs at 931 that should be taken. Good morning. Hello, A. I mean, I'd like to take these relative equal highs at 931. I would like the market to take those levels, but so far we are just having a probe trade right now. Just a probe trade, nothing special. I thought that we're gonna go lower, and I wanted to add to it at least one more micro or maybe two, but seems like might just gonna go higher. Who knows? The 900 level feels like it's a little bit heavy to trade through, but who knows? Sedar, hey there. You're driving home? All right, be careful, you know. Let's go Nasdaq. Yeah. Yeah, so it seems like that it would be awesome to have Nasdaq take out these highs. And as for ES, well, it's a little bit weird. We have relative equal highs at 5148.50, which for me is also exciting as relative equal highs. So that's why I'm pretty excited. And I might even leave a runner, or I might even leave this one as a runner. So I don't know. If we go to, yeah, it's up there at 31. So what I like to do, yeah, this one might be a runner. I mean, would be great if it would be a runner, but so far I'm just messing around with the levels here. The usual daily probe trade in the morning. Mihails, good morning. Trader G, good to see you. Good to see you. So if you guys just joining, I want to say that whoever filled out the giveaway form, you guys can still do it. Hold on, you don't have the link. Let me post it here. Do I have the link? I still have the link. Okay, so there's the form. I'm gonna pick the winner after the market open, after London open. Okay, and because this giveaway is going on for, I mean, since last week, and after this one we're gonna launch a new giveaway. So every week, a 50k account. If it is free, give me 3. Yeah, I mean, this giveaway is going on since last week, and we're gonna do 50k giveaways every week. Hopefully, it's gonna be a cash prize. So, guys, I don't really want to do crypto. This is going to be PayPal or debit card transfer or international bank wire transfer. These are the ones that working, and it will be enough for today for MyFundedFutures, not just today. MyFundedFutures. Oops, sorry, or TOPSTEP, or one of these firms. It's simple. You just have to fill out the form with an email and the name. You can collect points if you register. If you fill out the form, you get inside the form, and it's an online application. It's not difficult. You can earn more points by completing some tasks inside the application, and but it's only going to be. I'm not doing crypto, and if your debit card is not supported, or you are in like a country, last time it was my mistake, the winners were in Pakistan, which is a great country, no problem, but mastercard not supporting debit card transfer, or maybe internet. So we can do international bank wire, debit card transfer if you are supported, if it's supported in your country, or PayPal. These are the 3 versions right now I can do. Okay, so it's not going to be initiated directly from. All right, just a second. Camille, good morning. I think MyFundedFutures promo is not working. Can you find out more? It should be working. Let me check it out. It's only good for starter accounts, so just so you know, but I'm gonna check it out, all right? Check it with the starter account, not with the expert. Let me go ahead and check it out for you. They said it's going to work until this evening. It's still working. Only for starter accounts. On the expert account, you get 5% discount only. On starters, you get $50. I mean, you get it for $50. So check it out. All right. So make sure to choose starter account. It should be working. Let me know if it works for starter account. Hey, best DJ in town. What's up? What's up? What's up? Well, you know, just the usual. And I'm already in a probe trade. Only with one micro, testing if this one wants to go higher. We have some good levels, relative equal highs at 931. And, you know, hoping that it will go up. If not, it's fine too. I'm scalping again on an evaluation account, but I might gonna take some trades on the fundeds too. And ES also made almost like relative equal highs at 48, a little bit higher too. I'm expecting a push higher, to be honest. So that's what that is. We have some news, 8:30. Good afternoon, Mitch. Hey there. Can I use it just one time or many times? You can use it, Frankie. You can use it today only. So, but it's a lifetime. So if you don't pass the account and you blow the evaluation account, if you don't cancel the subscription, you're gonna get rebilled with the same discount fee. So that's a good thing. Also, the activation fee is going to stay according to your account. So for example, a 50K account is going to have a $50 activation fee lifetime. So if you pass the account 3 months from now, you're still going to have the $50 activation fee. All right, but you cannot purchase this kind of promo, I think, from tomorrow because it ends today. Maybe they're going to add an extra day, I don't know, but they said that today is the last day to grab your MyFundedFutures starter account. Just saying. So for example, you can buy 2 or 3 and stack them up and trade them separately, maybe. Great night. Took Nikkei. Wow. Okay. Trade 260 to 455. Quick $1,000. Come on. Laura, hey there. Good morning. Hey, Dominic. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Good to see everyone, guys. Good to see everyone. And by the way, a huge applause for everyone who's here. Please, guys, if you could help out the stream, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do new giveaways after this one. You still have time to sign up, about 36 minutes if you haven't already. You can earn some points and tasks. The giveaway, the winner pick is gonna be after London Open. It's going on since a few days, and we're gonna restart a new one, so make sure to register for that too. But I'll be posting it out maybe in the New York session. All right, so we're gonna start a new one today, and this is gonna go. It's gonna be fine. 50K evaluation account cash prize. All right, so you can buy whatever you want on it. You can do whatever you want, but it's going to be going through PayPal or direct debit card or international bank wire. I don't really want to do crypto. I think I don't want to do crypto because it's super expensive. It's just not worth the time and the energy. It's very, very expensive. It's not good. If everything goes bad, maybe I will do crypto, but I don't want to. And I don't want to cover the cost because, for example, sending $50 in USD coins, by converting it from US dollar, sending fees, stuff like that, all the conversion back and forth, it costs like $30 extra. Not that I don't care, but with that kind of thing, I would give away one more extra BULENOX account or two more. Sending crypto is super expensive. It's good for a bigger amount, but not for $50. Going to work, not gonna trade. Oh, I see. You could use the code. You can use the code, multiply times, and have up to 10 active. Oh yeah, by the way, you can have up to 10 evaluations. Yeah. And 5 and a turn. There's a fair value gap. 894.25. Maybe from there take it long. Could be. I was using Tron. Maybe I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, so as I said, I think the best option, because the best option would be direct debit card, not credit card, debit card, although maybe it's working with debit card too. So the winner is going to send me a debit card number. I don't need anything else, and the name, and I can instantly, like in 10 seconds, it's on your card. It's on, the money is on you in 10 seconds. That's the fastest. Or PayPal or international bank transfer, it can take up to 2 business days. Who knows? 1 or 2 business days. I don't know. Best option is what you say. Yeah. The best is direct debit card. And maybe not virtual cards, just saying. So physical cards, I think MasterCard or Visa don't do it with... I can't use Venmo because I'm not a US citizen. Although maybe I can register for Venmo. But because I don't have a Venmo, maybe, you know, by the time I get approval, it takes like at least 1 or 2 business days. And I'm not even sure if I can apply as a non-US citizen. I'll check on it. I'll check on it. Zelle. All right, I'll check on those for later. Yeah, that's most likely for US market, I think, or US customers. But I'll check it. All right, look at this. I'm just hovering around here. Maybe I should just close this trade. This was just a probe trade with the micro, just to see if it goes or not, but it's pretty much just hovering around. So anyway, yeah, I just closed it. I closed it because, and now it goes. I'm able to do PayPal, yes. Yes, I can do PayPal. I already have a PayPal account, so yeah. The winner is going to receive an email, and I'll be also going to announce it here. Yeah, no problem now. No problem. We're stuck here, guys, again. Look at this. We are stuck. So today is the last day to grab these discounts. BULENOX also the last day. Apex last day. Oh, look at that. My TP would have been hit. So yeah, make sure to snap these accounts. MyFundedFutures last day for this promo. Grab it while you can. The one you see here is an evaluation account, but I have funded accounts, 2 funded accounts with BULENOX. I have TOPSTEP and I have Apex funded account as well. For example, on my funded BULENOX, it was the only one I traded, and an Apex. Let me show you. Where is it? For example, on my BULENOX funded account, I only had $310, so it's not a big deal. And on my TOPSTEP account, I'm still holding this for $1,285. I wasn't really trading on the funded accounts, so, and I haven't touched my Apex account, so I'm pretty much just chilling with these accounts. Look at that, it might go. So if you look at the 5-minute, we have relative equal highs to the left. That could be interesting, all right. So we're just waiting for London Open. All right. Let's wait for what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'm just moving slowly, the gambler. I just want to take real slow steps because I messed up my whole trading mindset in the first 3 months of the year, and now I want to take it real slow. Made a quick 1K, nice. Bitch, that's awesome. So again, if you haven't signed up already on the giveaway, make sure to do so. We're gonna do a new giveaway from today after this one. So every week giveaways, and just give me some time. In the New York session, I'm gonna set up the form again. So you have to register again for these applications for the current giveaways, but it's gonna be uploaded, and I'll put it out to X or Twitter and also on the YouTube community tab, and that's it. What's the cost of activation fee on the 150K account after using the promo code? It's $150 on the starter, Frankie, and $50 for the 50K account. So $50 for 50K, $100 for 100K, and $150 for the 150K account. So the best deal right now is to have a 50K account. 50K account with a $50 activation fee is the best deal in the whole futures prop firm market right now. There is no cheaper if you pass it under 30 months. But if you don't pass it, so you make it in 2 months, that's still $150 including activation fee, and you get one free reset, by the way, just saying. I think I'm correct about this. You get one free reset if you blow your account. So, hey, I'm just saying that even if you make it in 2 months, that's going to be the cheapest, almost the cheapest for the lifetime. I know Apex does the $85 monthly, but that's a monthly fee. But for lifetime activation, you can still go if you pass it in 2 months. So the 50K account is the best deal. But you know, the 100K account is a very good deal too. The 100K account. Yeah. So as it has, I don't know who said it here. Yeah, the gambler said you can have up to 10 evaluation accounts. You stack them up and you trade them separately. And it's lifetime. And the activation fee is lifetime as well, whenever you pass the account. But only for the starters, which is great. I have no problem with the starter accounts. It's cool. I have starter accounts as well at MyFundedFutures right now. So, all right, just a second. Quick phone call again. All right, looks like we're going as we anticipated. No, I wasn't sure if it really gonna go up there, but for now it seems like it. Oh, my promo code is tomsabo. It's you can see it up there under MyFundedFutures. And thank you if you're supporting. Make sure to click on my link. It's also here in the chat, just up there from Streamlabs, MyFundedFutures link, and the code is tomsabo. And thank you so much if you're using it. Thank you. So yeah, today is the last day, guys. Yesterday I also bought two more MyFundedFutures 50Ks just to make sure. So I might go into, I have 4 now, extra 4, and I have more. I have 2 trader weights. No, 1 trader weight. No, I have 2 trader weights. 1 is blown, but I have 4 that has been untouched and 2 that I'm trading on. So I have a few. Oh yeah, I heard about that. I'm not worried about that. Absolutely, Woodmoon. I heard about that. Actually, I read all about it. I was there on Discord. I saw everything. They denied 2 payouts. 1 payout was denied because the guy didn't trade it for the account, and the other one was a KYC rule break, and that's why they denied the payout. Otherwise, I am absolutely not worried about MyFundedFutures. Absolutely not. So, and by the way, the guy got paid out. The rule break, for example, by I must say that the $21,000 payout has been paid out $11,000. I think they paid out $11,000. It was a soft rule break, and the guy did not get banned. He got $11,000 from his $21,000 paid out, and the rule break was a soft rule break. You have to push the button. Apparently, I didn't know that as well. You have to push the button every week. So he made a very good trading day. His profits were up, which is good. And then he were just waiting for 14 days for the payout. And the problem was that there was a whole week when the guy was not pushing the button. No trades were taken. So it was too long time. Apparently, I don't know by memory which line says that, but in the fine print, you have to push the button once every week. That's the main thing. He did a flip, which is cool. He did a big trade, but then he didn't do anything else also. And that was kind of a soft rule break. And they offered him to pay $11,000, which he got. And he did not get banned. His account stayed, everything stayed, but they warned him not to do it. And the other guy who had it up to $33,000 or something like that, he was, before that, he wasted about $20,000 on evaluation accounts, which is good, but he was flipping the account. And the account was, I mean, that's what TradeSage, who is, I think, he's Matt, said that the account was not registered under his name, and actually there were like 3 accounts at the same IP address, or maybe more. So more accounts were registered, and he posted out the some stuff. I also screenshot those things just to make sure I understand it correctly. He posted out on Discord those things that there were multiple accounts registered on the same IP address, and he was flipping accounts, and it was not under his name. Yeah. Hey, Kid Nash. Oh, Kid Nash. Good that you're here. I think I have a reply from a clinic. Anyway, I'm gonna send you the email. I have to find it. Yeah. Totally forgot. They replied last week, man. I'm gonna do that after a stream. I'm gonna search for it. I have so many emails. I'm gonna get after that. How you doing? Good morning, David. Emperor they are going for extra mile not to pay people. Oh yeah, every one of them do. Apex denied payouts. TOPSTEP banned people for using multiple accounts from the same IP address. Just saying, Tamimi. TOPSTEP does the same. Apex does the same. I'm not sure about the rest of them, but I have proof from the chat and Discord that TOPSTEP also banned users. Actually, they were managing up to like TOPSTEP says you can manage up to 3 accounts from the same household or something like that, but there was a guy who were managing like 8 accounts or something like that, so they banned someone too. TOPSTEP denied also payouts. Apex denied also payouts. Yeah, so they do what they can. Hey Prasad, I wish they would discount expert. Oh yeah, that would be good. What's the issue with IP address? I trade from different locations. I don't know. I guess if you're having multiple accounts, so you log in to multiple accounts from the same IP address. That is something they are watching as well. But maybe it's... So if I would be owning a prop firm, and if I would say like, okay, if I see a suspicious activity, like from the same IP address, I see multiple account registrations and logins, and we can see that those accounts are hedged against each other or flipping them. If I would be a prop firm owner or CEO, that would be something I don't like as well, because, you know, I have to protect the prop firm's capital. I'm not saying that they are the best companies out there or whatever. They're doing their business, right? So they're protecting their money, which is from failed challenges. But you know, everybody, and I don't know, everybody wants to make money in this industry. The traders want to make it to payouts. The prop firms are protecting their money by their rules, by every cost. If they can save up $1,000 or $5,000, I think they do whatever they can. So I can get examples for every prop firms that they denied payouts. So not just MyFundedFutures. Just saying. Rule breaks happened and will happen. And anyway, but that's a different perspective. Let's not go on this road right now. Bro, that wick almost took your end. It took my... Oh man, yeah. You had a limit entry. Maybe they filter accounts by IP addresses and they check it more than a... Yeah, they do something like that. Actually, TradeSage or somebody from the mod said that they do check it, but they only check it if they see something suspicious going on. And even then, they check it if there is something hedging going on. So TOPSTEP said as well, not now, but many weeks ago on TOPSTEP TV, that it's a little bit a gray area, but if they see multiple accounts logged in from the same IP address, they will still let it slide if there's just only 1, 2, or 3 accounts. But if they see that those accounts are hedged against each other and you know, using a flip technique, then it's definitely a hard rule break. So yeah. So apparently in this case, one guy was not trading enough, but he got paid out and did not get banned. Everything he could continue. He got $11,000. The other one got banned because managing multiple accounts and was flipping the accounts. So that's it. But I don't know the details that much. But as much as I could learn, I made screenshots and everything from these conversations. And yeah. Yeah, trading the news is a thing that not just MyFundedFutures don't like, but well, others are trying to implement this rule as well, but only for CPI, NFP, and come on. Not, I wanted to say FTMO. It's gonna be tomorrow, right? The FOMC. So FOMC, CPI, and NFP as tier 1 news, but it's only a 4-minute window. And FOMC, yeah, I'm sorry, Greg Hader. I'm not protecting them, but again, it's understandable that, you know, they don't want people to YOLO simulated funded accounts, because if they YOLO them with 15 contracts, and if those people got lucky, then they have to pay out some huge money. And of course they want to protect their capital, but again, it's not just MyFundedFutures. All right. Still waiting. And today is also the last day at Apex sale. MFF is the only one with the rule out of TOPSTEP Apex. It's the only one. I didn't know that. Apex lets you trade. I thought that Apex. Hold on. Because someone told me that Apex doesn't like news trading as well. Apex strictly prohibits news trading in any way, shape, or form. That's what it said. This includes directional straddles, blah, 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 blah. Traders may trade their normal trading system during news. Okay, traders may trade their normal trading system during news times, entering on standard entry rules they use each day. Traders may never be long in one account and short in another at the same time. This applies to your own accounts and in conjunction with the others. Any group or partner schemes, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, because I heard that someone got denied about this, so traders may trade their normal trading system during news times, entering on standard entry rules they use each day. So something like this was being told Like the guy was, for example, trading with micros, 3, 4, 5 micros, and when news came, he entered with 10 minis or something like that. You know, he YOLO'd the account, and Apex didn't like it or something like that. And then I guess it's a little bit of a gray area. But I don't know. Evil's no rules, but on the PA, if your trade is near or around news, they will ask you why you took the trade and prove the oh yeah, there you go. Not allowed taking advantage of windfall from news. Can you trade? I think there's a 2-minute, just to make sure. I'm not sure if there's 1 minute at Apex or 2 minutes. 2 minutes. MyFundedFutures is 2 minutes. Frankie, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm the one who should be thanking you for supporting. Thank you again. Giveaway as soon, guys, in about... Let's wait for London Open, and after that we'll do the winner pick. All right. Nice. Good luck with trading. Good luck with trading, Frankie. If it's part of your strategy, then trading news is okay. But if you trade news, then they will ask you to prove that it's part of your strategy by showing 2 trades where you applied the same strategy. There you go, Tommy me. Nice. Okay, so that's why it's a little bit gray. So if you're not traded news like that before, and as I said, an example, like I'm trading micros, 3, 4, 5 micros, whatever, and I enter with 5 or 10 minis at news, or on the news, before the news, like 1 minute or 20 seconds on the funded account, and I make a good money, there might be asking some questions like, what the hell did you do? Why did you do that? What is your system? So they have the right to deny that payout or partially pay you. Who knows? That's a little bit gray there. But the thing I'm saying is that all of these prop firms are like, they don't really like the gambling style of trading. And that's it. It's called gambling, yeah. I think the problem is they wait till you reach payout before asking questions. Because they're not watching everyone separately. They don't have the support and the manpower, I think. Maybe they have some algorithms or some systems to check on traders, but you know, it's really not that hard to... Gambling is your strategy. TOPSTEP has no consistency rules. It's a big plus. Yeah, just like... that's like... I mean, the consistency rule... I mean, everybody... I'm gonna have to make a video about this because the consistency rule seems like it's a huge deal breaker for a lot of people. While it's absolutely... I think it's not that super huge problem, but yeah, I understand that everybody is frustrated about the consistency rule. But I mean, as I was saying, they don't have all the staff and the manpower to check on each and every account separately of what they're doing. So when they get to a payout, when a funded account gets to a payout, what I would do as a CEO of a prop firm, I would say to my staff that, okay, if you get a payout request, check the account for anomalies like news trading, check for errors, because that's their business policy. As I said, they want to protect their capital, which they earn by by people failing challenges. So anyway, we have market open, by the way. And that's what they're doing. When they get a payout request, they're checking the account for all these kind of stuff. What if you forgot it was news and only made zoo? I don't know. That's made 200. I don't know. I that's a little bit gray. That's when unique stuff comes in. Yeah, good luck, Frankie, again to your new account. It matters when market is on your side. Consistency rule stops you making more profit. I agree. It stops you from, actually it's not stopping you from making more profit. You can make all the profit you want, but then you have to make more to get the payout. You just have to wait more and you have to continue trading. But I understand what you're saying, because you have to stop making more profit if you want to reach your first payout properly. That's understandable. Will they cancel the account? That's as I said, that's when the unique judgment from support comes in. What do they find? What are their convictions, Consistency is a huge problem for me. My daily PNL highs reach 10K once or twice a month. Oh, I see that. So then you have to go with expert accounts or prop firms with no consistency rule. For example, TOPSTEP. Or the expert account at MyFundedFutures. I mean, definitely when somebody is doing high stakes trading, then you should be going with a prop firm or with an account type that doesn't let you in that area. Just watching this, no significant movement right now. No significant movements right now. BULENOX consistency is 40%, which is not, it's not bad. Because, and I'm saying this because I trade small size. So for me, the consistency rule, it's like it's not even existing. So for example, on a 50K account, if my target is $3,000 to get $1,000 payout, my consistency rule, it makes me like the $1,200 for my best day, right? But it's not happening for me. Even if I'm on a winning streak, if I make, for example, $300 or $500 on a funded account, I would stop there. I would continue to trade on a different account. That's it. That's how simple it is. That's how I would never get into this problem. Because why would I risk that? Why would I give it back to the market? If I make $300 to $500 on a 50K account, I just move on to another account and I continue there. That's how simple. I have no issue with the consistency rule, and I'm building up these accounts step by step. And once, by the way, you reach the profit goal, people tend to forget that if you reach that level, you take out $1,000. For the next payout, for your second payout, you don't have to make $3,000 again. You just have to make another $1,000. Okay, but let's not go down there. You just have to trade a little bit every day until the next payout. Just a little bit. And you take out another $1,000 and another one. So I don't care about the consistency rule. TOPSTEP is who I use, and experts are expensive with my strike rate. Oh, I see. Yeah. You go for BULENOX. I played the gambler for the short term. Yeah, I mean, as I said, the gambler, it depends on your trading style. So, boom or bust. Yeah. So it's everybody's trading differently, and that's why you have to choose the right one for your trading style. All right. Nothing really moving here, so I think we should do the giveaway. All right. I think we should do the giveaway. I hope everybody signed up who wanted. I think I'm going to pick. I'm gonna do the live pick here. Just a second. Good morning, Crypto Panda. So, Gam, thank you for subscribing to the channel, and welcome. Thanks for joining. And Maid, thank you also. Maid or Majid 500. Thank you. Hold on, looks like we're breaking lower a little bit, but we'll do the giveaway in just a second. Look at that. The dog is barking, which means whatever. Repricing lower. Anyway, let's do the giveaway. And get me in your giveaway. You can fill out the form. It's up there. If I can wait for you 1 more minute or 2 minutes. The link is up there in the pinned message. If you fill out the form, name, email, and you can do some tasks. You just have to visit websites for these prop firms. You can earn points with that. If you want to do it, Frankie, I can wait for you like 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay. So how about that? It's 3:07 and we can wait a few more minutes. So let's wait for Frankie and maybe someone else. Wait for 3:15. All right. So that's an extra almost 7 minutes. Okay. We can do that. Look at that. It's dropping. What is happening now? I can do, just saying, the giveaway is going to be a cash prize. I can do PayPal, direct debit card transfer, or international bank wire. Maybe I can do Venmo as well, but I'm not registered at Venmo yet, so it might take a little bit more time to get approved by Venmo. I don't know even if I can, because I'm not a US citizen. I think Venmo is for US citizens only. So I'm not doing crypto, only if I really have to. Otherwise, I don't really want to do crypto. For example, maybe I can do crypto, I'm not sure, but I don't want to cover all the conversion fees, because then I would just give away another account, another cash prize, because it's super expensive. All right, look at that. Seems like there's a nice drop. I just don't know where it wants to go. Should I go ahead and short it? I don't trust this move. It's too close. I don't want to do it. Okay. So in 5 minutes we'll do the giveaway. All right. Still waiting for some of you guys to complete the registration. You can earn some extra points that increases your winning chance by just clicking on some of those links. Nine questions. Not for me, sorry. No, not nine questions. They're just simple tasks. 9 points you can earn. At maximum. You get 1 point for visiting a website, another point for visiting another one. I think there's 4 points like that. 2 points for retweeting the MyFundedFutures April sale. And also, if you answer questions, there's a pool and questions that already have answers you can answer to. So you can fill out the form in like 1 minute. Even if you don't want to retweet, just you know, click on the links and answer the questions there. Just have to choose. I mean, never mind if you don't want to do it. It's not. Anyway, we can still wait. You can do it. We still have time. I'm gonna wait 4 minutes more, and it's a very simple task. You just click through it. More points. I like this application, this viral sweep, because it has a built-in giveaway function. It's very good for filtering out spams too, and it's good. Look at this, it's still dropping. But for how long? Still have the 70. I'm not entering on this, not for now. I'm checking the 5 minute too. If it would just turn around, I wouldn't like it. If it breaks this high at 92, it can make a structure shift and still go up there. That's why I'm waiting. Usually London's first 15 minutes candle decides the direction for the next hour or two. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That is true. Or this can be a fake move, you know. Maybe repricing this fair value gap here on the 15 minute and then going back up there. I don't know. There's still a gap down there, but not sure. In a daily discount level, but we have relative equal highs from yesterday at 931. So yeah. It's going down still. This is the 1 minute. I did not want it to enter in this area because for me that would have been a little bit too late. if this move is just gonna turn around. So this is not ideal for me. We also have order blocks up there. So anyway, all right, guys, that's it. Giveaway timer is over. All right. Let's do it finally. Let's do it. Refreshing. 70 people entered the giveaway, and I'm gonna do it right here. One winner is going to enter. Hold on, let me just go back and show you guys. So as you see it, you guys don't see it. Hold on. There are 70 people entered, so I refresh it. There's 70 people. And so we're gonna do the winner, the live draw. All right. So here's how it's gonna be. One winner, and let's just make it less stressful than it has to be. All right. Let's start, and let's see who's the winner. Come on. Carol, congratulations. Carol H. Poland, Lublin. All right. Congratulations on winning the giveaway. All right, so new giveaway is going to come. Yeah, that's how we roll. Again, congratulations for Carol. We're going to do new giveaways, guys, so don't worry. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel because we're going to do giveaways every week. So just stay tuned. On the New York session, I'm gonna post the next week giveaway, so you have to register for that too. Congratulations again to Carol. All right, that's awesome. If she's not here, is that she's a she, right? Because Carol is a she. If she's not here, I have the email address because it's registered. Okay, so so I have the email address. I'm going to email, and I'm going to ask for yes, I have the email. All right, I have the email entered last Friday. All right, so I'm gonna send an email, and please reply to the email. If not here, no win. But that's why I say stay tuned. There's gonna be a next one. Next one is gonna be coming soon. All right. So I'm gonna send an email to Carol. All right. Still waiting for. Okay, all right, all right. What's the best time frame to pass the evals? Well, depends on the strategy too, not just the time frame. But I say, um, it's hard. It's hard to answer. Depends on your strategy. Depends on the account size. Depends on the profit goal. Depends on time of day, time of week. You know, if we have news later, slow day, volume. So yeah, thank you for being here, the gambler. Nice to see you here. So I would say I trade on the 1 minute to the 5 minute, and that's how I do these things, because sometimes I scalp, sometimes my intraday trades are entered on the 5 minute all the way down to the 1 minute, mostly on the 1 minute. So I would say you have to choose your own path. But if you're an intraday trader, you can go on the 1 minute to 5 minute charts, right? I'm waiting for this to shift higher again. Okay. Yeah, it's a very slow grind again. Nothing really moving. It's a little bit frustrating, to be honest. I'm glad I'm not in a trade right now because this is something I really don't want to take right now. But I'm going to watch the 30 seconds a little bit closer. If I would see, for example, this one as a good potential long opportunity, I might just take it if it's not going to reprice this candle completely. But I think it's just going to reprice it. Yeah, it's repriced it. Okay, never mind. So for example, this is a 30-second time frame, but I'm also watching the other ones. We're repricing a 5-minute fair value gap right here. So the drop could continue. And if it continues, then 72 would be the next target down there. 72, right? So I don't know what this level is, but let's see what happens. Good morning, Isham. It's pushing higher. All right. Catch you later. Hello, thank you for being here. Thank you. Sorry, I was checking the emails. What is the minimum to trade if I want to flip a day on Apex? Well, today you can still flip it in 1 day. Otherwise, in quote unquote normal conditions, I think you have to trade for 7 days, I think. Let me check it. Just hold on. 7 days. Yes, it was 10. Now it's 7 days. If you purchase, for example, accounts today, right now there's a 1-day pass which is valid until tomorrow. So if you want to flip some accounts, and if you make it in 1 day today, if you want to YOLO some, you can do it in 1 day. That's why I said today is the last day for some of these sales at MyFundedFutures, Apex, BULENOX. BULENOX has a 5-day minimum trading days. 5? Is it 5? Yeah, it's 5. Oh, sorry. No, sorry, Crypto Panda. Yeah. To get a payout. Yeah, I think. Hold on. For a first payout, you must have a total of 10. Let me show you. It's right here. For your first payout, you must have a total of 10 separate individual trading days where traders are actually where trades were actually placed on those 10 days. Subsequent payout requests also require the same minimum of 10 trading days between payout requests, where traders were actually traded on 10 individual separate trading days. The 10 active trading days are from request to request. The time frame is unrelated to approval dates, fund deductions, or payout transactions. Remember, there must be 10 separate qualified trading days between any withdrawal requests. So there you go. So that's the deal. That's the deal. Oh man, what did I just do here? I messed up my charts. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, it's getting better. All right. Look at this move. Yeah, I mean, this long is actually very nice. I do like it too. It's really hard to read price action right now. Hard to determine that if, for example, ES wants to go higher, or what the heck does it really want? Although I might enter into a long trade here. Not sure. Okay, so I entered to a long trade with micros, but I'm only going to use tight stop. This one is just going to drop through these lows. Let me set it right here. Then I might just want to close it. So I'm not risking too much on this one. This is going to be a scalp trade again. And that's it. So just trying to scalp it. But it could be just trading in this range. 2 micros, nothing special. Yes, above support, but unlikely to break out. Yeah, I mean, it's having a hard time. That's why if this one just goes through this area, then I will be looking for NQ to take out these lows down there. You have a small liquidity void up there, not significant at 900. The thing is that price hasn't really reached above the midnight areas yet. But this one does look bearish. I was just thinking that we could reach for those relative equal highs up there. But clearly, it's not going to happen. And now it goes against me. And in this scenario, I think I will be targeting the 72 maybe, but I would still need a displacement and enough space to jump into a trade. So that would mean worst case scenario, I need an entry at 78 to 80 area to target 72. At TOPSTEP, you have to request trade await to trade on trading view. Does it work the same? Yes, exactly. You can request trade await and you can connect it to trading view. Exactly, Danrik, exactly. You just have to connect it, and that's how simple it is. Oh yeah, the market is really, really tough. Morning, Vivian. Hey there. Been a while, yeah. How you doing? I'm doing okay. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. How are you doing, Vivian? You have a beautiful name too. We have a viewer, Laura. I do love the name Laura, and I do love the name Vivian. Remember to have a trading subscription. So you can only use the higher time frame with candlesticks. Yeah, I mean, if you're connecting it with TradingView, well, thank you. See you in a long. Yeah, I'm in a long trade, but this is a small position. I'm risking about $50 or something. I don't know. I'm looking for Nasdaq to break above the levels, above the midnight levels. I see some relative equal highs up there, which I like. These are like, for me, these are like magnetic levels. So I'm looking for that. And I thought I'd just give it a shot, you know, at least to break the midnight level at 9:10. Yeah, for TradingView, again, if you want to connect it, gotta make sure that you subscribe to TradingView, because if you don't subscribe, at least for the cheapest subscription, the candles are going to be delayed with 3 seconds, even on futures. So you have the data from MyFundedFutures or TOPSTEP or whatever, but the candles are going to be delayed with 3 seconds. So you gotta have a subscription. Sometimes that 3 seconds does matter. So there's going to be a new giveaway. Stay tuned. I'm going to update it for the New York session. Try to do this. I will try to do this on a regular basis. All right. Hey, no, you're welcome. I hope you win next time. Hey, and I'm gonna be updating the new one. I just don't want to look away for that much time with the application, but I'm gonna set up a new application form for the next one. Try to do it every week. All right. Look at this. Now it's just hovering around again. Should have closed it while I could. Oh man, looks like it's hard to get away from this level. This 900 level is really a tough one. Raul, good morning. Tom, do you ever move your stop loss to break even like Nas? Just well, 10% of the time or 15% of the time. I don't really like to move my stop because I was talking about this the other day because I hate feeling the FOMO. So I would rather take a full stop than having FOMO by taking me a trade out at break even and then going to my original target. I was testing it on myself, of course. I was experiencing it a lot last year and before in day trading, and many times, you know, these entries are okay, but price goes back to the entry, takes me out at break even, and then goes to my original take profit. And that is something that is just super hard for me to handle. I mean, I just really, it's very hard to bear with it. And it's just personal preference. So if you would like to put it to break even, then do it. It's absolutely a good thing to do. It saves you, yeah, it saves the capital. For example, I could put it to break even now. How are we doing? I don't even know. It's 5 points away from the entry. You know, if I see one more push to the upside, I'm gonna put it to break even. How about that? Not because of you, but you know, why sit here in this congestion area? Or I could just close it, but I'm definitely tightening it up a little bit. Because if it trades below 91, it's definitely going down. Most likely down to 72. I don't like that there is no volume. Look at that. I might even close it right here. Alright, I'm closing it. I closed it because this is a scalp trade. I just don't like that we don't have any movement. This session right now, just like yesterday, it's like weird, super weird. If you don't move your stop, it would be hard to pass Apex evals. That's true. What the Forex? Good morning. Horrible London Open. Yeah. Yeah, horrible. You know, you can't really read proper price action from this. Went down, shifted, now it's going up. It looks like it wants to take the midnight levels. I just exited my scalp because I just don't like how it moves. We could be, of course, going sideways, or could be going, I don't know. Terrible. After the London Open, everything is just terrible right now. Yesterday, almost the same happened. I mean, it also depends how you want to pass the evals. So if you're not moving your stop, obviously you're risking more, but the reward is going to be much higher because you have to count if you're trading your edge, you still have to take it to accounting at how many times out of 100 trades, how many times price takes you out and break even. Because those trades that takes you out at break even and originally would be reaching the take profit level, those are not making you profit. So actually they're taking away your profit. Even if you're going with a higher risk to reward than 1-to-1, so you're aiming for 1-to-2, it's better not to take, better not to move your stop loss, because the reward is going to be much higher. At least that's how I see. But of course, again, that's why we have so many different trading systems, so many different trading styles. everybody is trading differently, right? Because oh, the trading, yeah, I get it. The trading drawdown is only matters if you are trading big size. So for example, on a 50K account, on an intraday trading drawdown, if you're risking no more than, for example, $200, and for example, the trade goes into profit for $200 and you don't take the profit and it goes against you, then even if you're going to lose the next trade or the third one and the fourth one after that, the high watermark is going to be still like $200 above the highest threshold. You still have to work on your strategy. Anyway, it's I can't speak English this morning. I can't explain it to you. I just want to say if you trade small, it's all right. Small, I mean 0.5% per trade. But again, everyone trades differently. Guys, this session is it's so bad. It's so bad. I'm sorry. Sorry for the yawn. Look at this. I think I did good by closing that long. So, it has shifted lower. This is a 30-second time frame. And I'm still looking for that 872 if it wants to drop down. Well, I need more than this, I think. I don't know. How far is this? 5 points. If I see it go up to 99, I might take it with limit order. If I see it go higher, I might go into short it for 91. I think it's just gonna go through. Yeah, so might have to delete my limit order here. Look at that. Should be taking out 91.25. I'm deleting my limit order, I guess. Let me check it on the 5 minute. I'm deleting my limit order. I don't like this. It's very bad. It's very bad. It's frustrating. It's boring. It's just not good. What a terrible price action. This could have been a possible short entry on the 30-second. Well, actually not. Never mind. The next gap is here, where my entry was. I don't know. I'm not entering this, but I'm gonna monitor the price action. Maybe we'll have something better later on. So this is a potential short, which I'm not taking. It's trading. Want some action? Have to trade New York session. Yeah. So my original entry would have been taken here at 99, and so my take profit would be at 91.25, but I decided not to enter because London is just super dead. Maybe we should trade something else, not Nasdaq. I don't know what's moving right now. Gold is moving. Look at that. Wow. Gold moved quite a bit. Look at this. Maybe we should trade gold in the mornings. Is there enough volume here? Not that much, right? It was trading good. Anyway, back to Nasdaq. Back to the show. I think this morning gonna be quiet because of the oncoming news. Yeah, DAX is better, Daniel. Absolutely agree. Everybody's gonna be focusing on later news anyways. So this right now is pretty much not so good. Yeah, we have to relax, chill. I might just gonna grab a drink. So ideally this would have been a nice short. You see? I would have entered here. Take profit would have been here. This is just measuring one-to-one stop loss. So this could have been a trade. I didn't take it for a short. So NQ back to weave up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Still feels like it wants to break those highs. Look at that. It wants to go. Crazy action. All right, I'm gonna grab a drink. I'm gonna leave you for a minute. Please don't go away. Subscribe to the channel. Sideways movements incoming. Yeah. And I'm gonna be right back. All right. All right. I'm back. Oh, you guys were listening to some Starship Enterprise bridge ambient background noise. Oh, look at that. Now it's going down again. What a surprise. What a surprise. What a surprise. Now this one is interesting to me. I might even take it. All right. Put a limit order there. If it takes me in to the trade, then I'll take it. If not, then I shall not take it. Yeah, it's going down. But if it goes down, how far can it go? Will it go finally? It go to 80? Do we have some news coming out? Did we have something? Oh, we had... no, we didn't. Nothing. Okay, I'm deleting this position. Nothing so far. Two hours, 3 hours. Hmm. Yeah, so if it drops, maybe we can reach to 80. But overall, this is just terrible. This is terrible, guys. SMT. Yeah, might be. Look at this. Still going. Shifted here. It could be going down for the 72. On the 15-minute, it looks very good as a target. I would enter here. I would put my 89. Put a sell limit there and didn't take it, man. Is it going to or not? It didn't take my entry. It's not taking my entry. This is gonna go down to 80. It's not taking my entry. Oh, now this is FOMO. This is FOMO, guys. Oh man. It's not taking it. 9 points. Anyway. And ES left a gap on the 5 minute. Yeah. We're gonna have some news. High impact news, exactly. We should be taking the 80. It didn't go for my entry right there. Just left it. I knew that this will go down. I so much felt it. Alright. Deleting my entry. What a shitty move. You can't even scalp. So 5 minute. Yeah, it left a gap. So it could be going back up there. But first it's going to take out this low, or maybe this low. Yeah. Mary, good morning. How you doing, Mary? I don't think I want to enter here. Alright, I entered. I don't know why. Maybe, just maybe, I'll add one more to it. Who knows? That's a big maybe. Now finally got back to the 5 minute gap, or will be in a few seconds. So I might be able to add to this. I don't have a stop loss on yet. Did not hear my alarm a little late today. No problem. No, you didn't. Actually, you didn't miss anything. We did the giveaway, and we had a winner. That's all you missed. But there's going to be a new giveaway today for the next week, so everybody can start to enter that one again. Okay, so this was my original entry. Oh, so I added one more, and that's it. Risk reward is too many, is not good. It's off. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna post it on Twitter and the YouTube tab. It's gonna be here on the chat too. So you will have plenty of time in the next upcoming days to win the next giveaway. But otherwise, this London session is pretty much a little bit crappy. Crappy. I like to see this one go down to 73 actually. So I might just hold it until 73. What was the low? 73.50? Maybe. I don't know. So not much. I'm only risking about $50 on this trade, so I'm fine with it. Yesterday in London session I went down to negative 130 instantly. So far I'm doing better than yesterday at this point. And this is only for scalping again. Hey there, Mesapeti. Welcome, it was Oleg. Hey there, Hungarian trader. A brother from another mother. Let's see. Welcome. I want it to go up. Well, I think it could. Again, we still have the relative equal highs up there. So maybe if we reach this level at this 80, if it goes down, I'm just going to put it to break even, which I do rarely, but nowadays I'm doing it, and see what it wants to do. It's really impossible to decide. I might even close this trade at break even if it doesn't get me anywhere. Oh, now it's going. Nice. This push, I mean, it's not too much, just 1 point, but the way the candle was printed was a pretty strong bullish small candle. This could be ranging all day. I mean, all session. I'm listening in my ears this Enterprise Starship ambient background control room noise. This one keeps my sanity intact. I'm not going to torture you guys with it. Maybe wants to come to 17,875. Yeah, maybe. That would be my final TP down there, but again, if it takes out the 80 level, I might put it to break even or maybe close it. I don't know. Oh wow, look at this spike. Ba-da-da-dum-bum, ba-da-da-dum-bum. All right, let's see. Oh man. Everybody's waiting for the FOMC exactly. Abnormal moves. Your gold short? Nice. I don't even know what to think of this market right now. Almost the same went on yesterday. I'm actually maybe even thinking to close the trade. I don't know. I just don't have the patience for this move. I entered 15. You know, I don't like to hold these scalp trades for more than 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Most likely for a few minutes maybe, but if it's not doing the move that I wanted it to do, then it's pretty much no use for it. Actually, I think I might close it earlier than my stop. I don't know. I don't know. All right, I closed it. I closed it and it goes to my take profit. There you go. I just can't hold this. This is not normal market conditions. I'm flat. I have no orders. There you go. At break even. I don't want to be sitting in this one. Very tricky. I wanted to see a move, but it didn't happen. Maybe it will happen, and that will give me some FOMO. Why not? But If it breaks above the 92, then I'm glad I'm out. Slow and choppy. Yeah, exactly, Camille. I don't know what to make of this. Very tricky, exactly. I mean, look at this price action, guys. This is non-tradable. Look at that. It traded above there. Now it looks like it wants to go higher, but we're still in this range. We're narrowing down. Smaller and smaller space here. Not a real structure shift. Still looks like it might want to go down, but I don't know. I don't like this. Best to stay out of this. When the move is not happening, best to stay out. I'm not even sure I want to trade this London kill zone all the way through because it's just so bad. Very bad. Well, the funded accounts are not that great so far. The ones that I'm going to share on the recap video is the BULENOX and an Apex account. This is a BULENOX funded. I'm only up $310 on this account, so not a big deal. On a TOPSTEP account, I'm up 1,285, and Oh, I'm not connected to the rest of them. I also have an apex that I'm up a little bit. So yeah. Let me check something. There is an account that I need $90 to pass on Apex. There is an Apex evaluation. I totally forgot. I need only $90 to pass this one. I'm almost at 26,500. I need $90. I might try to pass this one as soon as possible. So and this one that you guys see, Laura with the beautiful name. Good morning. I have my minimum 5 days, so I could, but I want to build it up. I want to build some more. How can you see the trades history in Quant Tower? Go to the menu, yeah, and drag it over. Yeah, exactly. Can you withdraw? So yeah, I'm building up the account still. I want to build it up to at least $2,500 or $3,000, and I want to withdraw 1,000. So I'm building it, and I'm building the other ones super slowly. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and push the like button to help out the stream. Also, if you would like to or could support the channel, please use my links and codes if you want to purchase some accounts. This is the last day, guys and gals, from these sales. MyFundedFutures is ending this super awesome promo. It's the best one I've seen so far, from any other prop firm doing this. $50 for any size of the starter accounts. Very good deal. Ends today with the lifetime discount. Also a lifetime discount for the activation fee. Apex also ending the promo today with the 80% down. Most likely it's going to go back to 71%. And BULENOX also ending the 90% sale, but that's only for the first month. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's only for the first month. The other ones are lifetime. And if you want to go with TOPSTEP, if you use my link, just click on it and register for a new account. Then your first purchase is going to have an additional 20% from your first account with a 50% discount on the first reset if you would need it. That was the commercial. Thank you, thank you. I had to do it. Sometimes commercials are needed to keep the stream going. But this price action right now is terrible. And I'm also going to insert an ad. If you see an ad, please just let it be, watch it, and that also helps out the stream. Even if you click on the ad, that also helps out. Thank you. Here comes the ad. All right. We're waiting because this price action is really, really terrible. Is really terrible. Tom, have a look at DAX. It swept Asia high and straight down. I can look at it, but I don't have subscription for EuroX. It's 15-minute delay. It has a 15-minute delay or something like that. Yeah. So swept Asia high and straight down, but I can see that. Yes. So I don't have subscription for EuroX currently because I'm not trading it actively. But yes, nice sweep there. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Some nice drops here. Yeah. But hey, I'm actually interested in EuroX trading. So I might go on with it with Apex. Look at that. Now finally, maybe it will drop down to 72. I don't know. I guess I will go back to BAB. Yeah, super choppy price action with no clear direction. Yeah. See you, Mary, later, and thanks for dropping in. Yeah, guys, this is super choppy and nothing clear. This is really bad even to watch. It seems like on the 5-minute that this one could be taking out these lows, but the range is too low. Maybe if it would go down to 71, that would be awesome, but I'm not sure I want to risk it. There is not much liquidity until the US market. Exactly. So guys, I think I'm gonna call it here because there's just no fun in this. I mean, I love being here with you guys. I'm not taking this short because there's very low volume, even if it slides down the stairs. So I'll be coming back in New York. I'll be here, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being here on the stream. New giveaway is coming, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Use the links again. Last day for these awesome sales. Check it out if you would like to support. And guys, thank you again. See you in the New York session. All right. Cheers, everyone.